Hello everybody, I'm back in Australia, back in Melbourne. Don't let this weather deceive you. I've been back for about a month now. It's been cold and like I'm in a hoodie and stuff, so it has been raining, but yeah, technically I've been back for a month now, and here we are, straight back into the AU. This is how it sits after a year and a half of just sitting. I mean, just getting some green grass growing on it, some mould. So there's gonna be some new changes, new plans to this car. It's no longer registered clearly because I've been gone for a year and a half, so I haven't paid the rego or whatever. But you can see it here too. Inside's all the same, clearly nothing's changed. So this is actually going to be turning into a drift car. So next step's going to be like removing all the interior, put some bucket seats in, taking the stereo out clearly, and putting a cage in it. I have started the car like since I've been back, just to make sure everything's good. So it still runs. Well, when I mean start, I've only started. I haven't like taking it for a drive or anything. That's what I'm going to do today, so I'll try to do some POV. Yes, this is rusty, but it is what it is. At the time I was just looking for something to put there. I had some mold still, so I just threw it in there. It worked, so I never changed it. But yeah, other than that, the car is the same. Like I said, I have started it. I haven't driven it though, so today will be the first day that I actually take it for a drive. I'll just do a little quick startup for you guys, and then I'll try to set up the camera. I haven't got a suction cup, so I'm going to try mount it on the seat. Hopefully it sits. It might be a bit wobbly, but I don't know, it is what it is. Or maybe it doesn't want to start. It's cold. Just gonna have to hold the revs up a little bit. It's smoky. Anyways, yeah, so I'll set up the cameras and we'll take it from there. I don't know if you can see, if it's a clear view. I've just put you on the headrest. Might be a bit shaky. Car's running, I don't know, a bit rich. Might have some foul plugs, but just try give it a bit of a few bursts, see if it clears up. Yeah, put some air in the tyres. Yeah, like I said, hopefully it clears up. Definitely popping. It's definitely breaking up, probably needs plugs. It's been sitting for a year and a half. Clutch is slipping still, so we definitely need to change the clutch. Should check the brakes up. Put some air in the tyres. So I'll do that and I'll let it run for a bit. Oh, and you fell. Unlucky. I'm gonna have to try just. Alright, that was a fail because this tyre machine bloody doesn't. Maybe open the window, see if we get some louder dose noises. The tyre gauge doesn't work here, so we'll try another servo, but hopefully this clears up a bit. Very smoky, I don't know if you can see it, trying to reach out. Clutch is definitely slipping. I'm gonna have to change the clutch and hopefully, yeah, I don't know, figure that out. Holds idle now, which is good, so it's warmed up. Just up top, for some reason, probably plugs or something, or bad fuel. The fuel's been sitting here for 1.5 years. So, I mean, I'm sure that doesn't help. If I ease into it, it doesn't break up. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise. Now the car feels exactly how I left it. Still drives the same way it drives. Just got to do is fix his clutch because you can't have that if I want to turn into a drift car. I reckon the wind noise is going to be a bit too much for you guys, so it just pulls in second, which I mean, it sounds good, but we need to pull in every other gear. Can't really bully him because he beat us. Turn the camera off because alright, cops are gone. It's only gonna be a short section, but anyways. Car is slipping, especially really bad in third gear. Does have some breakup, could be just plugs because it's been sitting for 1.5 years. I haven't checked the oil, I haven't done anything. As I left it 1.5 years ago is how it is today. I don't know if I'm going to do any more video taping today, but yeah, next video will probably be the car stripped, getting ready for a cage. Stay there, wait.